you have different levels of storage where things are more readily available. So you might pay, I'm going to make up some numbers. You might pay $5 a month to store a gig of data, but you also can't access it very quickly. The next level, let me go this way. The next level, you might pay $10 a month. It's a little more accessible, but it's still not fast. And over here, you might pay, $15 a month for storage, but you can get to it quickly. And, that's probably, that is where you want to keep backups if you're going to do backups of databases, because you want to be able to get to that fast so that you can recover. And usually that just involves, you'll bring it down to another online storage location. It just happens to be a storage location that's local to your virtual machine.
Okay.
Be kind of like I was thinking about this. So if I store it down the street at a restaurant nearby, that's kind of close, but it's a little more work to go down there and get it. If I'm storing it, across town, across the city, over in Illinois, which is, an hour-ish from where I'm sitting right now, I'm probably paying a lot less, but I also can't get to it very easily. So,
yeah, costing more because it's accessible is a thing. It's like when you're at the theme park, the sodas cost a lot more than they cost in a gas station.